Today we're at Warmur, 16 kilometres southwest of Birchip, at BCG's main site for 2016. To date, today's the 6th of May, and the trial site has received 13 mils so far for the growing season. This weekend there's another 10 to 20 mils forecast, so let's hope that comes to fruition, as it will help bring things up and really get things going here. So as we can see, there's a little bit of topsoil moisture here, but only about 2 centimetres, so below that it's still really quite dry underneath. Right now, Amy and Daryl are sowing a fertiliser response trial here today. This is a members funded trial that BCG has done in response to some questions from growers about what fertiliser rate will they get the most optimum response from. So we have got nitrogen, phosphorus, sulphur and zinc being applied at the moment. The trial is being sown to Korak wheat. The idea came about this season from our advisory committee held earlier this year with some local growers about what would be the optimum response to the various nutrients in this paddock. This paddock has adequate nitrogen for nearly 2 tonne per hectare of wheat, and its phosphorus is at a critical level, so it could go either way in terms of getting a response. So at various stages throughout the season, mid-tillering and GS30 will apply some of the sulphur and the zinc, as most of the nitrogen and the phosphorus is going out right now behind me. Measurements will be taken to observe those different responses to the phosphorus during the season. This is a replicated trial, which means we've got 4 reps of all 16 treatments being sown right now. So at the conclusion of the season, we can send out the results and analysis from this trial to all our members, which will hopefully gain them a better understanding next year about which of the various products that they really need to apply to get that response from when looking at sowing it with wheat.